very big compliment.
Hello YouTube, my name is Violet. I love making YouTube videos, going on adventures, and playing with my kids. I also have a lot of fun fiddling with video editing. It's so great to be back. I have been on a bit of a hiatus. I am very excited to have time and tools and opportunity to put my creativity out there on the internet because I am super creative. We are going on an adventure today. Alright, it's a beautiful day at the Kangaroo Farm here in Winfield, Lake Country, Kelowna, wherever we are. We saw some kangaroos and some birds. Marigold tortured some small animals. They have goats and chickens. Very beautiful. The girls love the animals. My son has not left the car yard. Very interested in the technology there with her husbandy. And I headed next to the gold claim. So let's see where we go from here.
So we're going to my brother-in-law's claim, his gold claim.
I've been informed I'm supposed to be filming the way in. So we just took the road up the hill. And here's the road. It's really nice. It's high quality.
Creek Forestry Service Road. It looks pretty well maintained. And, like, even for the fact that it's got a lot of snow on it, like you can kind of tell that someone's been up there. I'm taking it really easy because going around a nasty curve and it's pretty muddy. But there we go.
At least they have our
boots. This is the bend.
So we got the drone, we got the gold panner, we got the girl with the shovel, and we're flying. This is sweet. This is actually really cool. Let's try not to slip in the snow. It's pretty treacherous. Our friend Mr. Drone, way up there. He's that little fly in the sky. We're gonna go down the trail for a bit now. See where this takes us.
I wish I had the second carrier, but I mean, my worry is that your battery's gonna run out before we actually get to the claim.
76%.
Okay. When it gets to 50%, we may want to try to see if we can get it.
I can land it, it's fine when we're done. But yeah, we're doing good, hey?
It's doing alright.
I'm trying to record with 2 devices right now. It's very tricky to do a good job for both.
Not having the best time, but that's okay.
Well,
he's worried about bears. So
it's okay. We can see with the drone. We'll see if there's any bears. I'll let you know, okay? How you doing, Lala? We're documenting this. This is happening. Oh my gosh. Which happens a lot quicker than you expect, and you're in a forest, land it immediately. Do not try and fly it. Mr. Dronesy, while I was holding a camera and my baby, decided it was time to go home, and he gave me like 5-second warning, maybe it was more, but I didn't have enough time to say please don't, and he zipped on home and crashed into the first tree he met, and now we'll never see our beautiful drone again. No more dynamo. We had him less than 24 hours, folks. Wow. That is the biggest failure. I also wanted to talk about drones, okay? So the Mavic Spark drone is the coolest thing that I've ever seen in my entire life. It's this cute little white thing. Okay? So I am a complete drone noob, but it's super fun to fly. I put stickers on mine because if I don't mark things or put my name on them, I don't feel like they belong to me. So a way that I have ownership over things in my life is stickers. Look.
Where'd you put the wipes?
It's a happy drone. It's got a heart. And look.
cheesy at all. There, a little more light. But anyways, so we got Dronesy for this trip because my husband and my oldest brother like to pan for gold in the mountains in beautiful British Columbia. So they went to a place called Cherryville. My husband, my 3 children, and I went to Cherryville, and we decided we would fly the drone up in the air above the trees. And I'm a really smart first-time drone owner and didn't think that there'd be any problem at all driving a drone over top of a forest. So here we are, little Dronesy going, and I'm like, wow, I can control this with an RC unit. This is amazing. And it's going up, 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 and it's going do, 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 do. And I'm responsible. I say, you know what? I better change the battery. So I call it back, change the battery, bloop, bloop. And then I realized, oh, haven't been recording any of this footage, so nobody can see the beautiful, beautiful forest in the trees. So, okay, up again you go, Dronesy. Dronesy's flying. I call him Dynamo. But anyways, Dronesy's flying. It's going up, 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 up. He's still going. And, well, eventually, because I flew it for a while. What?
Did you forget to press record?
Not this time, but I was explaining what happened with Mr. Drone. So he flew up, flew up, he was going, Dynamo was having a wonderful time, living his best life. Sorry, Justine, I stole that from you. It's going up, 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 up. There's no way she's gonna watch my videos anyway. This is why I have no friends. Anyways, so it says, you have 5 seconds to say, don't go home. And I was like, shoot, I was holding my baby and my DSLR and the RC, and I'm like, okay, I gotta push the button. I'm trying to push the button. I'm trying to stop it, but I'm too late. So Dronesy goes, broop, and crashes into the first tree. Insert footage. So the moral of the story is, if you don't know how to do something, don't practice in a forest. Go find a baseball diamond or something.
I'm the 6.5-year-old. I'm not 6, Mama. I'm 6.5.